And we're live! Hello, hello everyone! So, today there's a little bit of a delay. Welcome, welcome. Let's get started. Okay, is it everything okay? It should be. Yeah, there's a little delay. Okay. Hello, Alberto. Que tal? Hello, hello. Hope you are well. How have you been? We'll be able to start. What's this? Oh, I was experimenting with Vento just to play with. So, yeah. So I'm gonna just revert. That's it. Okay. Let's bring a browser so we can play with. And yep, let's go. Let's open our dashboard. Here we are. Here we go. Our content in a stack. Perfect. Okay, so right now we're gonna go and we want to delete a couple of blocks. I want to see this paste event really close, right? So 1, 2, 3, hello world. Whoop, shortcut, I mistyped. Okay, so save. So if I were to refresh, here we are. And that's it. So just for a small recap, maybe for people who will be watching after the launch of this live or just following right now, we are making this component, which is a stack of sub Livewire components or nested Livewire components. And below we have a shortcut footer where we can immediately, just by clicking on the left, we will get a new text input and focus, so we are ready to write. We can also choose a new block from a list that we already started this list. And today we will be continuing. We just started last session. We'll be continuing to handle the paste of an image. So it will be a field where we can just paste an image, and that image will be added in a new block and ready to go. Yeah, that's what I like. Yeah. Okay. So let's get this started. So that shortcut also opened. Oh, it's still running from yesterday, so it should be good to go. I'll just stop and restart. Yeah, just making sure, but it was because it started failing. So npm run dev, here we go, and it refreshed, so we're ready to go. I'll put this in another screen, so we don't need it. If I need to run some command, I will bring it over or just run it in the IDE. What else do we might need? Ray for debugging, so to see our dumps in real time. And yeah, that's it. We're ready to go. Okay. So we need a paste event, and this is totally new to me. So hopefully someone already did this and can help. I will have a image on the clipboard, and I'm gonna go and paste it. And I do. So this image is right now in base 64. We left it from the previous episode. And that's it. Let's see what happened. Code below was generated by Copilot. Check things. So if I am to check, here we go. Okay, so on the quick blocks, we have this code, and we will be handling this. Okay. So this reader onload we have an event, and also e.target.result. I also want to log the blob because maybe it's what we need. Will not be yeah. So let me, okay, so let's have this image. I'm gonna go and paste it, and yeah. So this blob was the first one outputting, because this ran asynchronously, is my guess. So AAA blob. So I'm refreshing. I'm gonna go and paste again, and yeah, you see. So this image ran first, and so now we have a file, and it's a PNG in the clipboard, right? And we also have the base 64. So what we need to do is to upload this file with Livewire, and we need to upload it via the image component from Livewire. So from Filament, I mean. So let's see. Or just another one, doesn't matter, right? Yeah, of course, no. It doesn't matter which one we are uploading with. But of course, it makes more sense if we use the same component. So let's see what's good. Yeah. On another browser, I'm just gonna go and turn on some music for me because I forgot. If anyone has some playlist that you want to share, be my guest. So yeah, gonna go with Muse, or yeah, Muse, Linkin Park, rock, yeah. Modern metal, Muse, Radiohead, Placebo, Coldplay, Linkin Park, yeah. Seems about right. Nirvana, yeah, great. I guess it won't be streaming because I don't have the audacity to put it, because I think YouTube is going to block the stream. So I think just me, I'm listening. And hello, Olavsky. I hope I pronounce your name correctly. Hello from Norway, he says. Hello, welcome. I hope you're enjoying learning something or just watching. Or maybe teach me something. I'm here for any of it. Okay, so let's get back, and we're going to go and we're checking. Our image block is using the file upload component. So if we were to visit the file upload, yeah, we will have the default will be going to the disk, I guess. So public, it's still not even published, but yeah. So these should be our uploads from before, and they are. So either we upload them here on our, just on our discretion like we want, or we can tap in this file upload component. So let's see what happens. So if I am to paste the image, what do I have? Yeah, so I'm going to get an image back, here we go. So paste, and we have this image. We want to see the block as a start. Hey, hello Nick, how are you doing today? Thank you for joining again. Feel very nice to see you again. Olavsky saying, I'm new to Filament, so I'm here to learn. Oh, great. And have you used Livewire, or is this somewhat familiar to you already? So Nick, how's it going? How's your day? Hope well. Okay, so let's dive into file upload. And if we wanted to make the upload, oh no, before foremost, let's add a new block. So let's go into our components, and our content manager will append a block. So yeah, let's leave it hard-coded, but we will, no, it's not on the content manager, it's on the quick menu. We have it already, or block menu. No, quick blocks, here we go. Yeah, I should change these names to something more explicit. What's the difference? Oh, right. Quick blocks is the footer menu. The block menu is the list. This is the block menu. This is the quick blocks. Yeah. All good so far, Nick is saying. Working on a side project. Ah, you want to share what side project it is? What is it about, at least? Okay, so it's the quick blocks. Yeah, we are already append the block for continue typing. But I guess we were dispatching somewhere. Was it? Oh, it was in the block menu, because we will append the selected block, right? Yeah. So I guess we have to have the same block menu and quick blocks. Yeah, for now I'll just repeat myself. I could put it in a trait, but yeah, let's just get it over. So I want to append while on the quick blocks, if I want to paste an image, I want to append, I'll have directly a block type. I guess I don't have to work from the list. I'll have block type directly, and I'll just create a new one. Nick is saying, yes, of course, but it's not that interesting for the developers. Well, why not? Try me or try us. Why not? Is it outside computing? I also enjoy some stuff outside computing, like mechanics, on bicycles, motorcycles, racing, sim racing, gardening, manual stuff. It's real nice stuff to do as well. Okay, so this is actually something similar to what you are currently doing, but for creating PDF documents and magazines. Oh, great. Hey, maybe there's something in common we can... yeah. What are you using to generate the PDF? Like plain PHP, or are you resorting to some browser like Puppeteer or Playwright? I love Playwright. I've been using Puppeteer in the past, but for the last 3 months maybe, I discovered Playwright, and it's a whole new world. It's so much better, I think. In my experience, of course. Curious what you're doing. Yeah, because in the end of the day, this content can be a PDF. Yeah, why not? But totally different rules, of course. Page breaks, printing. So yeah, there's metadata. So it's a different game, web and PDF. But much in common. Nice project. This is interesting for developers. Okay, so quick blocks. Let's append. I'm even going to say append image block. I'm going to be very specific just for this one. So like on paste image. On paste image, and let's see what it goes, how it goes. So Nick is using TC-PDF because of native functions. Okay. If you have an example of a native function that you wouldn't be able to achieve in a browser or something like that. Or maybe just you want to keep the runtime in PHP and not having to maintain a node installation and so on. Maybe that's it. Block type is image block, correct. Yeah, so if all goes well, when we go and paste an image, we will see a new block. It will be empty. Huh? Oh, of course not. We still didn't call it. So let's going to go to quick blocks. Yeah, and this is feeling it should be. Yeah, I don't want it here. I'm gonna go. Even not in a bundle, I'm going to go and make them. I think it's add scripts. Hey, Marcos, how have you been doing? Hopefully well, for a long time. I mean, not that long ago, but a couple of days, right? How have you been doing? So, if I remember correctly, this script will be will run when Livewire is already loaded. So let me check console.log, and we have access to $wire directly. Yeah, here we go. And it was just complaining because it was empty. So yeah. We can call the wire method here directly. So, and I want to check if I am still in time to create the Alpine data. Is it? Yeah, it's like this, right? So I want to make a paste an image component. And if all goes well, we would put the functions here. So init would be console log init, right? What's the problem? Is not an assignment. Oh, it has to return. That's a code block. Either I put it like this and returns immediately. Yeah, let's go with this. Let's see. So Marcus saying, yeah, I'm good. I'll see new things about Laravel 11. Yeah, that's amazing. It's releasing today. I'm still haven't seen much. Yeah, there is time. Tomorrow, after tomorrow. Yeah. Whoa, this IT world or programming in general or web development, it's so much information from every side of it. And when you do full stack and servers, etc., whoa, there is so much to keep up. It's impossible to do it on the same day. But I'm glad you're doing it. Let me know. Let me know how it goes for you. Okay, so Nick is saying difficult to explain, but I have to check whether the text and images fit on one page or not. Oh, right. Yeah, totally. Yeah. Yeah, you want to redimension and so on. Yeah. In the browser, in the Playwright and etc., we can like have a page break, but we don't have the control to fine tune the things. Yeah, got it. Yeah, makes sense. Let me know when you have something published or to use. Yeah, that would be cool. Okay, so let's go with paste an image. So I would remove all these. And yep, removing these as well. I'll just call it foo for now. Whoop, foo. There we go. I think this would become this.l, if I remember correctly. Index, variable index. Oh, so yeah. What happens more? This $dispatch, if I'm not mistaken. Or this.dispatch, is it? Livewire. Yeah, let's see. For now, just wanted to remove it from there. Let's see if it works. I want to have this exactly. Paste an image. Should I invoke it directly? I don't remember. Yeah, we have it in it. So this.l, undefined. This is... Is it the magic? Is it there as $L? Yep. Okay. So reverting to $L. I guess this will become now on this one. And I guess it will work the same. But yeah, I want to check about how do we dispatch. Undefined. $dispatch. $dispatch. Yeah. So it's the same. It's the magic method. So $dispatch. Image pasted. Okay. Okay, got it. So if all goes well, if I were to paste an image, yeah, this code runs, but we're not seeing the target.result. And why is that? Hey Samuel, how are you doing today? Hope well. Nice to see you again. Welcome, welcome. How have you been doing? Nick is asking, have you seen herd services yet? No, I haven't. Beyond Code rocks. Yes, absolutely. For sure. I am a Docker fan in terms of generally. I don't use Docker for everything. But yeah, herd is like it's not the solution for all. But yeah, for sure, it's amazing. And the services would be like having MySQL and other services. I don't remember, Redis or Mailhog, something like that. Yeah, for sure, that's pretty handy. Not having to tinker with Docker to have MySQL or etc. For the average project, yeah, for sure. Pretty excited as well with it. Okay, so why do we have paste an image? What's happening? Do we have to invoke it? Sorry. We have to paste an image. Here we go. The content. Yeah, so if we don't paste an image, we should delete it after, yeah? Yeah, check for Earth updates. Yeah, I know, I have it's updated already. But the thing is, oh, it's already. I just updated, I just next, but I didn't check. Oh, it's on the Pro tier. Okay, yeah, makes sense. So Redis, MySQL, Reverb, haven't seen it, and Melisearch, yeah. So yeah, for sure this is very cool to have, and well, not sure if I see the need for myself, but yeah, why not? Why not? Pretty cool. Okay, so we want to paste an image, right? And after that, let's go back. Okay, so this image pasted. Let me just check if this is being dispatched. And I'm gonna go to the quick blocks class. I don't know, just something. Ray, it works. And I'm gonna listen to the event, which was image pasted. Whoop, pasted. Here we go. And we get the image. But this is not going to go well. Let's see what happens. So pasting an image, here we go. Yeah, so blob wasn't there because this isn't a multi-part upload, right? No problem. This was kind of expected, so let's just see if it works. But it does, of course. The dispatch already works, so I'm gonna go and paste. And yeah, it works. So yeah. So the dispatch on our Alpine is working correctly. And I'm happy to remove it from the HTML and just to put it here. And yeah, that's it. So right now we want to take care of the upload. We have the blob, or we also have the base 64 encoded blob. So Alberto is asking, when you add a new block, Does Filament re-render the entire form? Nope. So when we add a new block, so I'm going to go and make an example. Let's pretend we have these two, right? And after we click the button, and just this block will come. So Livewire is taking care. The wire key is the same, so it will not touch it. Just this new will be rendered. So that's the thing. That's the whole purpose of building this from scratch. Because if not, Filament has already a builder component, which might fill very well the needs, some needs at least. Yeah, you just make a form on it, and that's it. You can drag and drop, so it's pretty similar. We would just need to add the quick blocks footer to make it better for writing experience. But yeah, I would totally use this as a foundation for that. But even so, it makes sense for me to build it. That's why I'm building it, right? Because I have full control. This is not just a form. This is a Livewire component. So I can make like a preview. I can make... It's a Livewire component. So there are no restrictions in how it looks, the behavior. So yeah. Yeah, no problem, Alberto. Anything, just ask. Or if you see anything it could be better, of course, always open to suggestions, not just questions, of course. Hello, Stas J. Welcome. What is the app color for rectangles and arrows you use? Oh, the app for color rectangles. So it's Presentify. Presentify. It's really cool. Yeah, I have the setup subscription, but also it's somewhat cheap, like $5 or something if you want to buy lifetime. Don't remember exactly, 5 or 7, something like this. It's very accessible and yeah, it's very cool. I think you can see here, right? We can just scribble, arrows, rectangles, text, whoops, rectangle, whoa, rectangles, etc. Yeah, explore it later, but there's the video here, so yeah, explore it and yeah, it's cool. Also the highlight, yeah, so there's that. Okay, so coming back, let's add an image, paste an image, we did. And we should now add an image block. On image pasted, we'll get rid of this. We won't do anything. We will on paste image. Okay. So $wire dot on paste image and invoke, right? So if all goes well, I'm going to paste. Whoop. What happened? Let me check if we come here. I'll put it somewhere here so it doesn't, yeah. So I'm gonna go and refresh, pasting, and nope, not running. Okay, so let's check what happens. Do we have wire? So this is something I kind of miss in Livewire, which is the dev tools. Vue dev tools are just amazing, right? and it misses some. I know there's Alpine and the Livewire is somewhat broken. Yeah, it would be nice to have something better. Something. At least something. On paste image. No, pasting an image. Ah, okay. I was just not pasting an image. So on paste image is running and we have the image. So now we have to wait for this component and I don't know. Or just set it, right? We can add this to the stack, we can upload, and we might change the data on the form, right? Or better yet, we have the file in memory, we should just be able to upload it here. So, never done it. Let's see how we get that done. Let's bring the console. Okay. Deleting .vento for now. Oh no. So sudo rm.vento. Okay, so rm -f. Okay, should be gone. And it is. Okay, quick blocks. And quick blocks only, yeah. So, yeah, this is gonna be a shameless whip. Let's go. So, we have our wire, we have on paste image, let's see. Yep. If we paste an image, we get the new image component or block, right? I just refreshed because we didn't save, so it disappeared. So this is cool. I just wanted to see the new image here. So let's go and explore the file upload. It should have its own UUID, right? Yeah. So we know the UUID. And also, no, not also, we are on the quick block. But we can get the UUID because when we do wire on paste image, we can return the UUID. And we now know how to retrieve the component. I mean, for now, let's just retrieve a string. I don't think we need an object. Let's see. So we want to get the new UUID. And we should await. So we should turn this function. Where is it? No, not this one. This one. Okay, so if all goes well, we now have not only the wire, but also the new generated UUID after pasting an image. And we do. We have the wire and the UUID. So if I am to get this, and I were to document dot get element by ID, and I were to use this, hopefully I'll get the image uploader, right? And we do. Perfect. Okay, so how do we, how do we do an upload in Livewire? We get an input and we model it to an attribute. Yeah, okay, got it. So photo will be an uploaded file, and after that we can do all of this. Yeah, so now we're getting to the goodies. So we want to tap into upload the photo. We have the file already, so I guess we can upload it. So photo will be the property on the Livewire component, right? Upload multiple. We want to remove the upload. Okay. Because Livewire stores all file uploads temporarily before the developer. Okay, sounds. We can upload it from here. And progress. So, hey Pedro, how are you doing today? Hope to find you well. Doing well. What about you, mate? Long time no speak, huh? Okay, so let's find it. So this is the success, so we should save it after. But even so, I wanna come and I wanna tap into the file upload component because we get it. We do have it. So what if upload using, I want to tap into this upload using. So I'll get this attribute and I have to give it all this and invoke. But not immediate. I can't see it immediately. So let's see. What are you building today? Pedro is asking. Well, so it's oh, and fine, thanks. True. Maybe in some days I message you on Discord. Yeah. So we are building a content management website, and as part of that, building a stackable content editor. That's the name, at least for now, where each block we can build content by blocks. Text, image, carousel, video embeds, etc. And we want to, or I want to have it where in such a shape that each block should be a dedicated Livewire component, and we have total control on that, so we can add components to act as blocks, as all of that. And also, in the end, I want to have a toolbar where we can continue type just by clicking, or get from the menu, or just directly paste an image. So this is the shortest I can be. So if I came to continue typing, if I were to click, I get directly the folder, the text, and I can type directly, right? I can choose a new block. It can be an image, or it can be a rich editor, or a basic text. Yeah, so this is pretty much the idea. And if we paste an image here, I want to have it uploaded and directly here. So yeah, it's kind of a interactive content manager. It's not like Notion. I'm sorry, but it doesn't. I'm sorry, it doesn't exist one for Laravel, because yeah, it's server side. So well, it doesn't matter. I want to have it this way because I can control everything. Data will be structured, and that's it. That's the main goal. Then I can render or use as I see fit. Okay, so coming back, pasting the image. Yeah, I get the UUID. I get the UUID of the new component, and I should tap into it, and I want to upload a file. So this is the Alpine component. Pedro is saying this is kind of prismic, this idea actually. I've never actually checked it. Prismic. So it's an headless page builder. Yeah, so probably there are already Statamic as a replicator or Bard. Notion, there is something like Lotion, a Notion alternative. There is Plate.js. Oh, there are plenty of them. So yeah, it's block on top of block. Yeah. But the thing is, I want it in Livewire because I'm pretty sure there is already in Vue. I would use it. I'm not a big fan of React. I use it when I have to, but not a big fan. Yeah, so it's pretty much the same. Yeah, and it's React as well. Maybe we could use it. Yeah, is it open source? Don't think so, but yeah, even so, it's not Livewire, so yeah, I want to have it in Livewire. Yeah, so that's the thing. Sorry, there is some delay over video and chat. Okay, so let's tap into this component, and the file pond will emit an event, right, somewhere down the line. Mr. Price. I was gonna go and guess that this is a file pond component, but okay, so Prismic, nope, they have a free version, but they're not open source, yeah. That would be my guess as well. Didn't see any GitHub icon. Yeah, it's a huge problem. I mean, if you have to solve it, it's a big one, so that should be the reason. Okay, so yeah, let's step into the button group. Is anyone out there? Have you played with the Filament editor? I'm gonna go and guess that this is the editor that will come later. So if I were to upload a file, Filament, after saving, Filament is kind enough. I mean, not only kind enough, but awesome enough so that we can image editor, is it? Yeah. So if I were, yeah, we can edit, and yeah, we get a version of a Cropper.js. I'm not sure, but we can do more stuff. So yeah, we will transform the image in the end. We can also define the ratios. Yeah, there's some configurations, but what I'm looking is to upload the file on this component. Yeah, you have to try PHP someday. I mean, you don't, but of course I'm trying. I am advocating for you to try it because I feel you should, because I like it, but that doesn't mean you will like it. But yeah, if there was enough time, right? Okay, so let's think this is the editor. So where's the upload? Exactly, if it has an image editor. So if it doesn't have, so this is the input. We get the ref, which is input. And we have a file upload form component, which is somewhere else. So let's find it. I'm gonna go and, yeah, okay. Here we go, now we're talking. And file upload form component, is it this one? Yeah. And we are giving these options. And yeah, we can see what's it going to do. And yeah, in the end, it will change the state path on the form. I mean, I feel tempted, we could hack on this, but yeah, I'll just try to interact with this, because somewhere down the line we are going to use the upload using. So yeah, let's see, let's be patient. If anyone have done something like this, please let me know. I could use some help for sure. Yeah, so this is like science, rocket science to me. This should be something, yeah, to generate some random value. So upload using. So this is a default process. Server, the load. Hey, Nick is saying, after pasting, you creating new empty file point component. Why not upload the image at first place? I don't know, Nick. I thought about that. I just felt like using the what already is there, But yeah, we can, because of the options, for example, if I just use the component, for example, if you will use this and you will put your uploads on an S3 bucket, then I have to worry about that as well, right? Where does the upload has to go? Because if I were to do it right now in the basic example, I would just save it to the disk, right? But what if we were using Docker, and we should, we can use Docker with a mounted volume and it's the same. But what if it's some upload on, someone will use this on fly.io or Amazon or I don't know, or as S3 bucket, right? So then my mind thought, hey, let's use what's on the image editor, because, where is it? On the image block, I mean. So whatever is here, we can configure already, right? Disk public or S3, etc., etc. So I wanted to tap into that file upload. This is the reason. Yeah, I know it's trickier, but this is the reason. Whenever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. Okay, so file upload. Yeah, you understand, right? That's the thing. But hey, I can see this is the callback we have to run. So we need to generate a file key. Yeah, it's just a process. I can invoke it, giving a field name, file, metadata. Oh, damn it. I'm not sure if this is going to be so directly. So this spawned on reorder files. Yeah, that's when we have multiple and we change the order. Let file start. Get uploaded files. I still don't see. Load the editor. It's the cropper thing, right? Oh, there was some crazy amount of work here, huh? Save editor. A crazy amount of work. This.pond.add file. So this is when we edit. So when we edit and we get a new image which will be whatever, when we click save, we are changing. So we can tap into with this API, I'm guessing. This.pond.add file. Oh, it would be so awesome if it would be so easy. So this is translations, yeah. It would be amazing. Okay, so let's see if we can tap into that pond. So, after we await, we already have the response and we have the UUID. So, we can get it, at least in the browser it worked, right? So let's see if it works as well. Oh, this was saved already, so I'm gonna go and refresh. So, pasting an image. Here we go. There's a new one. Sorry. And this is the const upload component. Okay, let's try again. Null. Yeah. Because this is running immediately after. And next tick, right? Next tick. If this will be the next tick from Livewire as well. Not sure if such a thing exists. Let's see. So refresh. This dot next tick is not a function. So is it the magic injected? Let's see. Paste an image. Nope, null. But if we were to run it, so let's see, for example, set timeout. Yeah, so let's do it, I don't know, half a second later. Pretty sure it will work. And it does. I don't want to be waiting for such a thing. Not a big fan. I don't want to rely on something like this. But for now, let's use that. So upload component. And if all goes well, this dot pond will be the element, right? So does it have pond? Nope. So after all, what's the upload component? I want to get the underlying Alpine instance. So this is the element, right? I want to see it. I want to see it. Again. How come I can't inspect it? So our upload component is now under a key, upload component. Yeah, it's Livewire ignoring. So how do I get the refs? So there is editor. Okay, no. X united. Yeah, I want the X component. That's it. Okay. Okay, so if I want to get a Alpine component, oh, thank you, Nick. Alpine.$data upload component. Amazing. So, upload component. Whoa. So I'll get from Alpine, is it? So the component, the instance, will be Alpine.$data from the element. Is that it? So instance. Let's see, paste an image. Yep, we have a proxy, which seems to be it. File key index, etc., etc. Whoa, amazing. Thank you, Nick. So, if I were to instance.pond, should be there, right? Because on the Alpine, we're running this.pond. So, if all goes well, we have .pond. So, .pond.add file. .pond.add file with the blob, which is our file. So we don't need to console log that. So let's go. How it goes. Paste. Damn it. Let's paste an image. Here we go. Yay! Woohoo! Great. Amazing, Nick. Thank you so much, man. Okay, so this will follow whatever specification is in the image block. So if we come here and we'll say this is the disk, this is the path, etc., etc., doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Thank you, man. It doesn't matter. It will be respected. Amazing. So I can just come, paste an image, and it works. It's there. This is why I don't like the markdown editors and sorts of things. There's so much labor in making a document, and yeah, no, don't want that. If I have an image, I want to bring it here. Maybe I want to customize it. Yeah, and I can. If I have it from... Yeah, actually, something happened to the editor. I've seen this behavior before, but yeah, it's not related to this now. It's just our thing. So we upload, and we should save. That's it. We refresh. We have the images there. So this is the thing. This is life. Yeah. Save, refresh. There we go. Yeah. Great. But I especially don't enjoy what? Depending on this timeout. I don't want to depend on this. Nick, glad I could help. I have to go. Thank you for your stream and good luck. Thank you, Nick. I hope to see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much as well. And speak soon. Thank you for joining. Have a nice evening. Oh, and we are 1 hour 20, 1 hour 15 also after. So I guess I'll be finishing. Let's just keep this rolling to see if I can, because I don't want to depend on this. I know maybe we could do the odd. I mean, we could like check false. We have something like timeout. We could make it false and like check every 200 milliseconds if the component is there and then run it if it's there. And it probably works, but I don't know. It feels like depending on the watch ticking, and I don't know. Let's see if in our image block we can run something, right? Because in our image block, this is a Livewire component. And we have a UUID. God damn it. So all we have to do is to dispatch block mounted with this UUID, right? And we will listen to that. Yeah. We have the UUID. So if all goes well, yeah, okay, so we don't need this anymore. Here we have the base 64 string file encoded as a base 64 string, and we won't do anything. That's it. We won't do anything. We will not. Okay, so this is the init. So let's, in our data, let's have the file or the image as null, right? And we have the blob item get as file. So we are going to this dot image. Oh, but this is we might have multiple. Yeah, for now let's just roll with this $image item get as file, and we don't need anything else from here. So let's early return. Also, let's get rid of the semicolons. Hey, and people, say something. I miss you. No. We need the UUID. We need the UUID. Yep. We will on paste image, quick blocks. We'll generate a new UUID, append the thing that will emit later, right? And we have the UUID, so only now I can register the listener. So, dollar on, is it? No. Register listener, let's see. No, I want to X on, but so it must be this dollar on or dollar on maybe. Because I want to do it in JavaScript and not on the markup. So I'm gonna go and guess L ref store watch dispatch. No, I wanna. Okay, so let's console log. And this dollar on, undefined, dollar on, undefined. I guess it's going to be injected, right? No. Dollar event, Alberto? Nope, also not defined. No, we want to register a listener. I want to register a listener. How come? Events. Exon. Yeah, I wanna. Maybe it's inside the dispatch. Yeah, I wanna do the reverse, which is listening for foo. Exactly. Foo.window. Oh, so is this a native? Maybe this is a native event. Right. So I guess it's just document dot add event listener and let listen to block mounted. Is it? And let's see what we get. And if all goes well, console.log e, and also a couple of A's. So TargetX is saying, can you please let me know what task now? Sure, TargetX. So what's happening is we are, if you remember, there is a shortcut to paste an image. And let's delete to be quicker. We are already pasting the image. So we can paste an image and it will come and it will upload. I just removed, right? I am early returning. Why? Because we have to wait. After you get the file on the paste event, we will get the file and get a UUID that runs server side. So quick blocks, when we paste an image, we generate a new UUID, we define that is an image block, and we append a new image block. We return UUID, meaning now I have it here because I'm awaiting, or I could dot then, right? Because it's a promise. And now I can listen to an event of when the image block is mounted. And why is this? This is the task I want to do because I don't want to depend on a timeout. I don't want like to, okay, add a new image event, a new image block, and then I want to upload the file. We get the component and we upload the file. But to upload the file, I need to get the component. To get the component, I need the UUID. I hope it makes sense now. So, block mounted. Yeah, so let's see if we get a block mounted. And we do. And the detail should have the new UUID. Perfect. So, so when we paste an image, there will be added a new block. Exactly. So each time I get a new UUID, let's listen to the block mounted. For that UUID. So, yeah. So, if event dot detail, oh, sorry. Let's emit UUID. Let's refresh. Paste an image. What's wrong now? Yeah, so this is with a problem. Paste an image. Yep. So this custom event will have detail UUID. If the event.detail.UUID is not the same, I want to return. So let's just, never mind, forget it. If it does exist, let's upload the thing. Exactly. Upload component. Yeah. We get the instance and we add the file, which is this.image. Perfect. Return. So if all goes well, we don't depend on a timeout now. Let's see. Nope. Reading.add file. It's not there. So even Livewire emitted it, we received it, it's not there. Sorry, Alberto, I'll be just reading. Let me just check this is correct. Yep. Let me just check with next tick, because it's one hook later. Nope, it doesn't exist. Add file does not exist. Livewire.on post created. Also, yeah. But I think it's going to be exactly the same. .on. Unfortunately, I think they'll be equivalent. Not sure, but yeah, makes sense. It's a Livewire. It's not from Alpine. It's after going to the server. So maybe you're right. Let's see. Oop, no, pasting an image. We don't have UUID. Wait, but now it's different. We don't have the UUID. Let's console log the event. Because it probably has a different structure. Yeah, it's event.uuid. Perfect. So it's directly. Will it work, Alberto? That would be so great. It doesn't. It's still not created. This the JavaScript. It's like Livewire already rendering, but the JavaScript is just not ready. The file pond element is not ready. It's this component which is not ready. The new Livewire component comes with this. It's an empty div, right? It's this div, empty. But then, because it has the xref input, it will load. It will load this inside. I needed to get this event. When this is loaded, I mean, I can scan DOM for 5 seconds and I don't love it. But it can work. Yeah, so I needed to tap into the file pond. And what time is it? Oh, 8. Oh, it's very late here. I have to finish this. It's this pond. Maybe this pond. Yeah, it's so crazy. Because to know it. So, TargetX, does the UUID and the new block created at the same time? Yeah. Exactly. When we add a new, it's every time we paste a new image, we need to generate a new block, right? Which gets generated in the moment. Damn it. I mean, we can do it other way around. It's not beautiful. It's not. I'm not here to make beautiful, right? But I want to make it work. But I don't know why it feels very hacky, which would be so. Let me get this. Okay. Instead, so each time we have the file, we can like limit const found equals false. I don't know where to start, but let's see. I want to not set a timeout, but just a moment. Let me just write here. So this code is to get the file as a base64 string. Okay. We don't want that. We want to get the set interval for up to maximum of 5 seconds, right? So every 200 milliseconds, or even less, 50 milliseconds, we want to run this. Where is the blob? No, it's not the blob, it's this.image. I mean, now we don't have to store it in the data. Now we can get the image directly. Right? We get the UID. And if upload component equals null, return. Yeah. So we can check every 100 milliseconds. Also comment this. So we'll be checking every 100 milliseconds. And this is the const interval. And then we also set timeout. Exactly. We will clear the interval after 3 seconds, maybe. So if all goes well, we paste the image, we get the UID, and we will be waiting until that element gets on the DOM. And once it does, we will get the Alpine instance, and then we execute it. Let's see. Whoa! So many times. Right, because all of that time it was doing this. So I'm let success equals false. I have to do it outside. And if upload component equals null, or success equals true, right? We don't want to continue. If we add the image, we want to change success to true. Seems reasonable. Let's see again. Yeah, it works. Why do we have this error? We shouldn't have. Reading add file. Whoa, don't tell me that I also have to wait for the add file. Yes, because the element might exist on the DOM, but file pond is not started. Come on. No problem. So I don't like this. So if instance.pod.add file equals null, but I find it so ugly having the code like this. So let's see what goes. How it goes right now. So let's paste. Yep. No. Cannot read properties of undefined. Oh, right. We must check if pond is initialized. So let's see. Once again, pasting. Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo, chat! Finally. Okay, so if I am to paste a new image again, let's make an image of, I don't know, I have Red Hot Chili Peppers is running right now. So I can have a picture of Red Hot. Yep. Pasting an image. Great. This is the life. And if I want to write a text, then I can. That's it. That's it, chat. I don't love this implementation, but yeah, I guess if in 3 seconds the Livewire component and the file pond is not on the system, then I'll up it to 5 seconds. It has to be in 5 seconds, right? Yeah, maybe I don't have to be so extensive, so maybe 307 seconds. It has to happen, right? I see that the block menu has a array. Yeah. Okay, let me close. And if all goes well, if there's still a good usability, let's see. So pasting an image. Yeah, it works, man. So another image. Yep. Who else is a Red Hot Chili Peppers fan? I am. Okay, and this is great. I think we'll close for now. It's so long right now, but I'm so happy. Target X is asking what's next. Well, maybe rendering. So this is kind of our to-do list, right? So the preview button, right? I guess that's it. In terms of shortcuts, I just have to style it. Maybe it's not today. So we can continue to type. We can paste an image. It's not auto-focusing down, it's not moving down, but yeah, not so bad. We can add a new block. Yeah. I guess that's it. Let's preview the thing. Let's preview it. And then having a sensible way of adding blocks, because this component makes sense when there are plenty of blocks ready to use, right? If you have to make your own, it will not be as much as fun. So I want to have a couple of blocks more to start. Text, image, YouTube video, carousel, code block. Yeah, that's it with those blocks. Yeah, preview. Yeah, open source it. Yeah, this is the next steps. I still don't have a good name for the platform, for the publishing platform. So I also have to find the name. If someone remembers one, I'll be glad. That's it for today's chat. So thank you so much. I'm gonna go and commit as well. So click adding an image via paste, clipboard, paste. And did I miss something? Maybe I did. Oh, you're saying cool. So nice, thanks. If I forgot something, let me know. Yeah, I think we're pretty close. Maybe this week or next week we can have something. Thank you, Alberto, as well. Thank you so much for joining and helping. It's going quite happy, right? 7 episodes, is it? 7 hours and something more, maybe 10 hours on this, and yeah, looking good. Excited. 1 day of work, yeah. Everything considered, yeah. Perfect. So, thank you, Alberto. Targatex and more people here, but they're not speaking, so I don't know who are they. Maybe Pedro is still here. Samuel. Nick has gone. Maybe Olavsky or Marcos. I want to thank you everyone who joined, and if you watched after, so thank you as well for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. That will help me and the channel to have more visibility, and yeah, that would be cool. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. Happy coding! Ciao!